Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I want to talk about the Digital Deepak internship program. You might have been already reading about this program. You might have been seeing my emails, my ads, customer reviews, and right now there is a buzz around the market about this particular program and how it has changed people's lives. So in this video, let me give you a short introduction about why I created this program in the first place and how this program can change your life. In 2016, I launched my first digital marketing course. It was a course about Google Ads. And since then, I have launched more than 10 course modules. And each of the courses has been covering a different aspect of digital marketing, such as Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, content marketing, and everything. And one thing I have realized is that people who purchase these individual courses do not know how to put all of these things together. And if they just learn one part of digital marketing, it is usually not much of use. And also, I noticed that only 5% of the people actually complete the course that they purchase. And this is something that you might have experienced yourself. You might have bought a course with an excitement and probably watched one or two videos, and then life gets in the way. The course remains unused and you also feel guilty about it. This is just like buying books. Most of us buy books with an excitement. We maybe read a few pages, sometimes we don't even read the first page, and then life gets in the way, we never complete it. So I realized that the biggest problem that people have is completing the courses that they purchase, and in the process of completion, they also need motivation from the community, from mentors, and they also need access to mentors so that they can clarify their doubts. And one more important thing is that unless you implement what you have learned, you are not going to remember what you have learned. There is no point in watching the course videos like you are watching Netflix. You need to put what you have learned into practice, and that is the most important thing in your learning journey. So coming back to the internship program, what is the internship program and why do people get 70% completion rates on the internship program? So I call it the internship program because it is different from a course. Even though it is not a internship in the typical sense, you are not going to work in my company as an intern. I call it the internship training program because this is somewhere between a course and an internship which gives you practical experience. So it works like this. You join the program with a fee, and there are 12 main modules and 4 bonus modules, total 16 modules, and it happens in 16 weeks. And each and every week, a training module is released. For each and every week, there is a Q&A session. When you join as part of a batch along with 500 other students. And all these students are there in part of a Telegram community, and 2 full-time team members of our team will also be part of this Telegram community, where they will be answering your questions, sharing some useful stuff, and things like that. So the most interesting part about this program is that, first of all, the quality of the videos is top notch. I have put so much of effort into each and every training video that I have created. And after you watch this video, there is an assignment, and you will get support for completing this assignment. And once you complete this assignment, you will be getting a cashback. And if you do it every time, and if you take it all the way to the end of the program and become one of the top students in the program, you are going to get all the money back that you have invested. Isn't that cool? And most of my students have said that it's not about just getting the money back. It's about implementing what they have learned, and the skills that they have gained because of the implementation is worth lakhs and sometimes more. Because a lot of my students, with what they have learned, they have started building their personal brand, they have started getting jobs, they have started to do freelancing activity, they create websites, do SEO for clients, do Facebook ads for clients, and sometimes these clients are international clients who pay in dollars. There are also a lot of students who have started affiliate marketing, and then there are students who have started online training and became a trainer. So this is the internship program, and there is no sales page and there is no way to buy into this internship program directly. This is by invitation only and this is by application only. And below this video, I am sharing the application form for the internship program. And once you apply for the internship program, we are going to review your application. We have a look at each and every application that has come into the system, and we will send you an approval mail if we like your profile, and then we will invite you to a webinar. And in the webinar, we are going to explain the internship program in much more detail. You will get to know what are all the different modules, what are all the different things that you are going to learn, what are you going to get back from the program in terms of bonuses, in terms of cashbacks, in terms of the opportunities. And then we also have a Q&A session where we answer each and every person's question, and then only you can enroll into this program. And once you enroll into this program, there is going to be a start date for the batch, and then it's going to be fun for the next 3 months because you are going to learn, and on top of it you are going to earn. And a very good part about this program is that the Telegram community, which you will be part of, is a very vibrant, positive community. You get to learn along with other students who are also completing assignments, and the assignments vary from doing cold calling to finding your personality type to doing lead generation to setting up your first Facebook ad. So all this is going to be very exciting. And one of the interesting facts about this particular assignment structure is that apart from getting the cashback, you get an insane satisfaction of having implemented something new and having learned it. And you are motivated to do it because if you don't do it, you will lose the cashback. So most of my students end up doing the assignments for the cashback, but then they realize that having implemented what they have learned is much more valuable than the cashback itself. So I hope you like the structure of this program. I hope this video gave you a clear idea about what this Digital Deepak internship program is all about. And I look forward to having you in the program. So go ahead and apply for this program from the link that I have given below this video, and I will see you on the other side. Have a great day.